Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's G from Happiness and Crafting. So today I'm just going to do a really quick video. I'm just making some of these little sort of journaling spots really, and I was using some book paper. So we've got a lovely giraffe, and we have, I think he is a German poet, on this lovely book paper. So I wanted to use it in my journal because I think it works really well with the papers and everything in here. And I've got these lovely pockets, so I thought that would fit, and it's just so simple to make, but I thought I'd show you anyway. Pop this down, stick a piece of lined paper on there. I didn't cut it off, I just folded it up, so we've got this lovely bit of journaling on there, and it sort of like reinforces the book paper. So I wanted to put the book paper in there, but obviously you can't really journal on it, so that's why I've added that into it, and it just makes it a little bit harder as well. So I'm loving that. I also did one with some music paper, and this is a smaller one, and I've just stuck in a piece of tea stain paper and rounded the corners, and I just wanted some little flat things to go in there, but something, you know, simple, really bit of a no-brainer one today, because this is getting quite thick, and I just wanted to just something to slip in the little paper clips that we made yesterday, which I'm loving. So what I thought I would do as well, I've got the book paper, but I also have a piece of the scrap script ephemera paper as well, which I thought would look quite nice in one of the pockets, so I thought I would just use that as well. So folded it in three. I've taken a section of lined paper, and I'm just going to stick that in. Super simple. Stick that in, and then I'm going to just fold this up like that. Again, if you've got more room in your journals, you can make like a little pad of paper to pop in here like that, and just fold it over, little paper clip, or maybe we'll make some sort of fastening on there. Let's just see, but I just wanted something really thin. So instead of just making it, I thought I would just pop the camera on and just show you what I'm up to. So I'm trying to work in the journal, get this one finished, because I am dreadful at the moment at finishing anything. So I want to just make sure I finish something at least. So let's just, and I just wanted some simple things to go in it, but because it's for me, I wanted to have lots of little sort of like journaling bits in there. So there we go, super simple. And look, you've got a nice long bit of journaling. You can journal on these two sides, you can stick some other paper on there if you wanted to, but I just wanted a little thing to pop in there. Now I've got this one in here. Let's have a look. I've got another pocket in here somewhere, if I can find it. Look, we've got one here, so that can just fit in there like that. But I think what I might do, pop that to the side. I need a little closure, don't I? Now look, I've got a nice big bundle. I dyed some seam binding, and I think that's probably darker one. I quite like the lighter one. Maybe I'll just tie it up. Shall I tie it up with a little bow? I've got some bits here which I could cut off, couldn't I? Got this piece, I've got this piece. Oh, that's already done. Should we use this piece? Okay, I'm going to do this. Shall I do that? Shall I just fold that? Let's just fold that in half. Stick that on. Let's open that up. Pop this on. Right. Thinking as I'm going again. Let me just see how much of this we would probably need. About that much. So I need it like that. So this will have to stick on. Now I probably need some fabric tack on here. Just stick a little bit on there, just to hold that in place. And then I will pop that on, I think. I think that will look quite nice. Oopsie daisy. Let's just stick this on. Like this, a little bit of glue. Ooh, it's a little bit thick again. Stick that on. Pop that, oops, right way around. Sort of in the middle. Let's just pop that down. Okay. Let's make sure that's stuck down really first before we bend it. Oh, that looks quite nice, doesn't it? Fold that over and then just make a little bow. Lovely. There we go. How simple was that and how quick was that? There we go. Lovely. Just a nice little flat pouch there. Now I think I'll have to put it in this one because I've got the bow on that side. So that can just slip in there nicely and it doesn't take up any room at all. Oh, I do like that. That's lovely. How quick was that? So shall I show you how to make the this one? Should we make another one? Let's put you on the back like that. So let's just fold this in 3 like that, just sort of eyeball it. Look, we've still got half the book on there, but then again I quite like that. Let's just fold this in 3 like that. And these are thin enough and small enough to use on my that might fit for the little paper clips that we made yesterday, aren't they? Look, there we go. Quick and simple. Let's put that in there. That fits nicely. Really easy to make. Pop that up there. Fold that up. Now again, you can embellish. You don't have to use book paper, but I've got a nice big pile of it and I thought it would look really nice in there. So you can embellish this as well. Maybe I'll just flip that over a little bit. Let's just, should we turn that over and add something to it? Let's add a little, oh, I've got some of that. Shall we add just a little bit of this pretty paper? Pretty fabric, I mean. That's nice. I don't think I need all of that, do I? Let's just snip that down. Let's have the raggedy side. Pop that in there. There we go. Super simple. A little bit of glue. We need to pop this upside down again, don't we? Pop some glue on there. Pop you down. And just stick little beads. Probably run the sewing machine across that as well. That's nice. Let's just stick this down. Let's stick it down with a little bit of tacky glue. Now I need to fill this up again. Nice little pattern on the back. There you go. Pop that in the middle. Look at that. real nice and small, really nice and thin. And that goes down there, and look, it's just got a lovely little pop of colour there. I will go down there with a sewing machine, I think. Now I need one of my itty bitty little paper clips here that I can pop on there just to hold that closed. And look, it all matches in lovely. Should we find a space in here that we can just pop that on like that, and then we have a nice little writing spot. Let's put the paper clip on first, shall we? Probably make it a little bit easier for me. Pop that on, and then we can pop that down. I'll leave the link to the little paper clips if you didn't see it, because they're really simple to make as well. Look at that, really nice little journaling spot, and it's sort of like a little hidden one, so people can't see what you've written in there either. Although this is just for me, it's lovely. I'm loving it. So I will give you a flip through of it when it's done. I'm going to finish this off in the next couple of days, so over the weekend I will give you a flip through. But I am just loving these little super simple little journaling spot. So where was the other one I did? Here, look, so you can make them out of book paper or little bits of paper, and I think obviously this one's going to go with the papers that I've already used. But really simple and very, very flat, very, very thin, won't take any room up at all. So there we go, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. Just a very quick one, very, very simple one, and it is made in no time. So there we go, guys. Take care, stay safe, and I will see you for the Friday freebie in the morning. All right, guys, bye bye.